Hi lovely people, how are you? Well, today's Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day. And if you're not a mother but you own a pet, because I know I love my Nala and my two cats like my children. I love them. Well, I love my kids a little bit more than, of course, in other words, I treat my pets like my children. So happy mom dog day or cat day or whatever. Anyway, in the comments below, let me know if you're doing anything today. After this video, me and my husband are going to go to the movies. I do not know what movie yet we are going to see, but I'm excited because I haven't been out in a while. But anyway, I digress. So if you read from the title, I am going to be going over the new palette from Juvia's place. This is called the Warrior palette. And this is what the packaging looks like. Now, can we talk about the packaging? I think Juvia's place has the best packaging. I love the artwork, and the artwork is always a meaning of something. So this is supposed to be for the Amazons, and what this is inspired by the ferocious and decapitating beauty of the Dahomey Amazons of Africa, who defied social norms to protect their people, a true embodiment in strength, fierceness, and beauty. The Warrior palette consists of 9 highly pigmented shades. Now, I did get this a few days ago, so I have tested every single shade. I know the wear time. If you're new to my channel, I started a new series where I swatch my complexion, my daughter's, and my husband's. So I have the light, the medium, and the darker skin tone. So I will also show you a picture of that. So if you like me doing that, please give me a thumbs up. That way, the more thumbs up I get, I know that you guys do enjoy me swatching on different skin tones. This is only the second video I have of this series, and we had talked about anytime I do an eyeshadow palette or a highlighting palette or anything like that, I will continue to always swatch it, because I haven't really seen that too much on anybody's channel. I mean, maybe people have, but I haven't seen it. The only one that I have seen was on Stephanie Nicole. She has a best friend named Ripley that she does throw in pictures when she has time to swatch, you know, different palettes on her complexion. But like I said, I have 3 skin tones, if that will help one of you guys, because not everybody is always my skin tone. All right, so let me show you what this palette looks like. Now, this is her 9-pan palette that is the bigger ones. I know she has like the mini sizes and the regular sizes, and it does not come with a mirror. So to me, that's not a deal breaker, because when I do my eyeshadow, I don't typically look in the mirror anyway. I only like the mirror if I'm traveling, and I don't do a whole lot of traveling anymore, so that doesn't bother me. Now, this is definitely a warm tone neutral eyeshadow palette. So not everybody will like this, and you probably already have these shades already, but I love all of Juvia's Place's formula. I don't think there's a palette that I have not liked. I think that they are very buildable, blendable. They're not as powdery as some of the other ones, and I just think it gets better and better. I really enjoy it. The only thing that I will have to say the con is it only has 3 matte shades. The rest are shimmers, and I know a lot of people are more into mattes. So this doesn't bother me too much, but I am the type, I rather have more mattes than shimmers. But I do not like all mattes. I do like a few shimmers, but that is just a preference that I like. Some people like all matte palettes, you know, but I do like to put a little shimmer on my lid. So, like I said, I wore every single one. I think the shimmers are, I love the shimmers more than the mattes. The shimmers are absolutely beautiful. I don't know what she puts in our shimmer shades, but they're just gorgeous. The mattes are so blendable. You don't even really have to do anything. So even if you're a beginner of makeup, this formula, these palettes, any Juvia's Place that and this is my just preference, this is my favorite formula brand that I have tried, and I'm talking about even with higher end. And I might be a little biased because this is a woman-owned company, and if you guys are old to my channel, you know that I always promote women-owned companies. I just love it, and I love and she's also from New Jersey, and I live in New Jersey, and her warehouse is about a half-hour away. Her first warehouse was from Camden, New Jersey, and I know she did get her bigger warehouse, and I'm not sure sure exactly where that warehouse is, which city it is, but it still is in South Jersey. But like I said, yeah, I really love these. So I'm going to swatch them. Now, they do have the names of the shades on the palette, but I don't really see too well, and it's like a white color for the names, the font, and so I can't really see it too well. Right here, if I hold it up to the camera, you guys can see it. So I'm going to swatch the first 3 shades, which is Amina, Idea, and Mino. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, so please forgive me. So let's get started, and they are so creamy and buttery. I mean, look at that, guys. I mean, come on. That is just gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look at these swatches. I mean, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let me, do I have it? Let me get a little wipe so I can wipe my hands each time. Okay. All right, so the next 3 shades, let me hold it up to the camera, is going to be a Hosi, I cannot pronounce these names, and Moremi and Kano. I am probably butchering. I am so sorry. So this color here is perfect for me to set my primer. I really, really like it. And this color here, if I didn't say, this is not black. This is like a dark brown, which I love because I'm not really into the black colors. And that is just for me. It's probably because I'm not really good at it. It looks like I have a black eye. So there we go so far. And then the last 3, let's put it up to the camera again so I can read it a little better, is Dahomey, Bakwa, and Benin. I don't know. I really do apologize for butchering them. I mean, look at this, guys. One swatch that I put in there, and look at these colors. I mean, they are just gorgeous. Now, I do have a better picture where you can see. I will show you. I have nothing bad to say about this palette except for, I mean, is this a unique palette? No, it's not. I mean, there are so many neutral warm tone palettes. Is it something that I will say, I mean, you have to go out and get? No. But if you do like Juvia's Place, I believe this palette was $21, and I would actually pay more for this. That's how much I really love the formula. Now, yesterday I had put this on about maybe 11 o'clock in the morning, and I didn't take it off till about 11:30 last night. And I'm telling you, it looked the same as when I first put this on. I had this eyeshadow on me for about 5.5 hours, and it still looks good. So I'm going to show you a picture. Now, I don't edit my videos, so I do not know how to put yet that video, the picture right here. So I do apologize, but I do have a picture on my phone to show you. So, of course, that is my husband, my daughter. I don't know why she looks so much lighter in this picture, but she's probably like a caramel complexion, and then, of course, me. Now, if you watched my Laura Lee with the Nudie Patootie video, which I will leave that right here, again, with that palette, I swatched all 3 skin tones. I had to swatch that palette 4 times on my husband, 3 times on my daughter, and twice for me so that you guys can really see. I only swatched this 1 time and put it on there. Honest to God, 1 time. Look at the shimmer shades, how they show up on my husband. The only one is this darker brown, is about his skin tone, so you're not going to see it, and it is right there. But you see it on my daughter and on myself. I don't know what else to say. I really recommend this palette. This is definitely an approved. And for $21, you cannot beat that. So that is everything I think I have to say. If there's anything that I forgot, please, if you have any questions, please comment down below, and I will definitely answer it to you. I may not get back to you right away because, like I said, I do have plans with my husband today, but I definitely will get back to you sometime today or tonight, so just bear with me. And guys, I just thank you so much for all your support, and please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, share my videos, because when we get to 5,000, it is going to be humongous, and I am so excited for even getting over 4,000. I still can't believe it. All right, guys, let me stop now because, you know, guys, I like to babble. So until my next video, bye.